Honor Magic 8 Pro Air design sparked its comparison with iPhone Air, Pixel models, and even the beautiful Honor 500 series. But what if we say that the company has simply tried to renew an 8-year-old smartphone look with its first Air? Remember the Honor V20 phone with an exclamation mark camera look on the back? It debuted in bright red, blue, and black color options, but the highlight was its unique camera layout, making an exclamatory mark. It seems the company has tried to bring back this interesting design to its phones, and no doubt the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air is the best choice for this look. Instead of simply putting 3 buttons on a straight cylindrical bar like the Honor 500 series, the firm has used a capsule cutout beside a button-like structure to house imaging sensors. But after a close look at both the V20 and the Magic 8 Pro Air, it seems Honor hasn't copied anyone's Air appearance, but tried to style its 8-year-old design concept. The Magic 8 Pro Air measures just 6.3 millimeters in thickness and weighs around 158 grams, placing it among the slimmest flagships expected this year. The phone is also confirmed to arrive in multiple color options, including black, white, purple, and orange. Honor has already opened pre-reservations in China, with storage variants such as 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Magic 8 Pro Air will feature a 6.3-inch flat OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, targeting users who prefer compact phones without sacrificing screen clarity. The device is expected to run Magic OS 10 based on Android 16. The phone could be the Dimensity 9500 chipset CPU architecture, a third-generation all-big-core design on TSMC's 3nm process, GPU ARM G1 Ultra 12-core GPU, offering a 33% increase in peak performance and a 119% improvement in ray tracing over previous generations. Despite its slim profile, it is to pack a large 5,500 mAh silicon carbon battery with support for 90-watt fast wired charging. However, it may not support wireless charging.